Basic filters are great for Show Me London. Advanced filtering is for the moments when you need Show Me London sales above £1,000 in Q1 or Manchester sales of any size in Q4. Excel has several tools for this. Multi-condition filtering with AutoFilter. Even basic filters can combine multiple conditions per column. Click the filter arrow number filters, custom filter. Choose two conditions. For example, greater than 500 and less than 2,000, or greater than 5,000. This is enough for most everyday analysis. Filtering across multiple columns. Apply a filter on region equals London, then add another filter on sales is greater than 1,000. Excel filters are cumulative, each one narrows the visible rows further. Search filters. Inside the filter dropdown, type into the search box to find specific items in long lists. For example, typing Acme surfaces every customer whose name contains Acme. Slicers. Tables and pivot tables. For a much friendlier filtering experience, click your Table Design Insert Slicer. Slicers are big visual buttons much faster than opening filter dropdowns and great for dashboards. Advanced filter. Criteria range. For genuinely complex queries, for example, London is greater than £1,000 or Manchester is less than £500, use Data Advanced. Build a small criteria range elsewhere on the sheet with the same headers as your data. Put values on the same row for AND logic, separate rows for OR logic. Data Advanced. Choose. Filter the list, in place, or copy to a new location. Pick your list range and criteria range, and click OK. Filter function. Excel 365, 2021 plus. The cleanest modern option returns a filtered array directly, equals filter BL sales. TBL sales region equals London.blah sales. Sales is greater than 1,000, no matches, use for AND, plus for OR. Try this. On a table of products with columns product, region, units sold, revenue, filter to products with units sold is greater than 100 and revenue is greater than £2,000. Insert a slicer for region and click between regions. In a new cell, use equals FILTR TBL sales product TBL sales units is greater than 100 times TBL sales revenue is greater than 2,000 to return the same list dynamically.